Hey everyone, welcome to the Shima Flow Yoga Kitchen. I'm Jody and we are continuing to move forward with our month of detox. And today I'm super excited about this recipe that we're sharing. It is a Rainbow Detox Salad with a lemon tahini dressing. And I mean, if you can see right here, all these beautiful colors, but come in a little closer and I'm going to show you exactly what we've got going on in this salad. So starting with the salad, we're going to have some kale. So we've got 2 cups of kale, and just a little tip here, I massaged it first with olive oil and very thinly sliced, and that makes the kale really easy to eat. Sometimes, have you ever noticed when you eat kale, it's a little tough, kind of hard to eat. This helps soften it up. And kale, of course, low in calories, high in fiber, great for digestion, iron, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, the list goes on with kale. Coming into next to the kale, this beautiful red cabbage. Look at that incredible color, high in fiber, helps with diabetes, cancer, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory. Moving into the carrots, look at those beautiful carrots that we shredded. Great for heart health, stroke, to help with preventing cancer, antioxidants. Broccoli. We've got for fiber, iron, protein. Again, great to prevent cancer, high in vitamin C. You wouldn't know it. You think that's only in oranges, right? Broccoli's high in vitamin C. Same with red peppers, high in vitamin C's, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory. And then avocados, as we know, very heart healthy. That's the good fat, right? The good fat for your body. Helps to lower cholesterol. Then we've got some walnuts, yummy, love walnuts, give us a nice crunch. And they are, believe it or not, very anti-inflammatory as well. And a lot of antioxidants. It also helps to increase your metabolism. Then we move into parsley. We've been using parsley a lot in our, in fact, I think in all the recipes we've used parsley. And as we know, it's good for cancer. It's a natural diuretic and helps with digestion. Okay, these are the salad ingredients. These are the dressing ingredients. So we're going to start here with this bowl here. You might not recognize it just looking at it, but it's tahini, which tahini is basically ground sesame seed that turns into a nice liquid paste. So tahini we've got to help with blood pressure, lower cholesterol, balance your hormones, and high in calcium. Lemon juice, high in vitamin C, and as we know, again, we've used this in both our other recipes, very cleansing and very purifying. Nutritional yeast. Some of you guys may have used nutritional yeast before. It gives it kind of a nice cheesy flavor, right? So since we're, all these recipes are plant-based, sometimes we crave that cheesy flavor. Nutritional yeast is going to give us that, and it's going to help with digestion. It's antiviral and helps boost your immune system. And then right here, this right here is maple syrup. This is just going to give us the sweetness that we need in a natural way without having to add sugar. But believe it or not, maple syrup is high in antioxidants. It's anti-inflammatory and great for digestion. And then a little bit of a sea salt here we add for flavor. And then of course our garlic. You guys, we've used garlic a lot. It's great for colds and flus. Hopefully you remember this. Good for blood pressure, good for digestion. So we're going to create this beautiful, amazing salad, right? Not only did all these ingredients look amazing, it's also going to taste even better than it looks. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the salad dressing. And you guys remember this blender, right? I think I've used this blender in all of the cooking videos as well. This is the Ninja. It's an awesome, very powerful blender. We used it for our smoothies. We used it to blend the soup that we made last week, and now we're going to use it for our salad dressing. And it has a little attachment here, which is really neat, that you can make the salad dressing. So if you have smaller things to blend, even like a single-size smoothie, you can use this blender. So we're going to add our garlic, about 4 cloves of garlic. And by the way, you guys, I will have the recipe posted at the bottom so that you know what we're doing for the recipe. And I will also have an affiliate link for this Ninja blender so that if you decide you want to get it, you know where to get it. Okay, garlic. So I'm going to add the lemon juice. Now this is a full cup of lemon juice. I'm not going to add the entire cup. I'm going to probably add about 3/4 cup of lemon juice. This is the tahini, right? It's a half a cup. I'm going to add this entire half cup of tahini. This is what gives this dressing such a creamy flavor. Normally you would need that creaminess, right, from something you would think dairy, right? Not in this one, not in this plant-based salad dressing. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. And then I'm going to add the nutritional yeast. Again, I'm adding all of this nutritional yeast. This is going to give it this yummy, kind of cheesy like flavor. It's so delicious. And also, nutritional yeast, right? When you follow a plant-based diet, the main, one of the main vitamins you lack is B12, right? So this nutritional yeast has B12 in it, which is such a bonus. Okay, I'm spilling it all over the place, but oh well, that's what happens when you cook a lot, right? I'm gonna add just maybe a little pinch, maybe that's about a quarter to a half a teaspoon of salt, okay? And then just a splash of maple syrup. So it depends on how much sweetness you like. I don't like a lot of sweetness. My boyfriend likes a lot of sweetness, so we got to compromise, you know? So I'm just going to add a little bit at a time. So I'm going to add maybe about a teaspoon. This is about a tablespoon here, but that's going to be, I'm going to add a teaspoon. And then, you know what, I forgot the water, so I'm just going to run over here and put some water in here from my refrigerator. It's filtered. Okay. And then we're going to work on the consistency. And that's what cooking's all about. You start with a little bit. Nothing's ever going to be exact. And you know what? You want to do it to your liking. So whatever amounts I give you, feel free to play with it. Add less, add more, do what you need to do. I'm going to give this a little shake. And I'm going to put it right here in my blender. So I'm going to put it down and lock it in. Turn the power on. Here we go. Just kind of pulse it. And already, this consistency is looking pretty good. Okay, let me take it off, turn it upside down, and I'm just going to give it a little taste here, okay? Let's open it up. See? Okay, so it's a little thick. I would prefer to have a little more thickness than really runny dressing, but you know what? It all depends. I think when we did the smoothie recipe, I said I like more of a runny smoothie than a thick smoothie, so it all depends on what you like. So I'm just going to put my spoon in here and drop it on. Okay, so I need just a little bit more sweetness. I did not need all that lemon juice. It's perfectly fine. The tartness is good. It needs just a little more sweetness, so I'm going to pour just another tablespoon in. Put this back on. Let's plug it in again. All right. And we'll take it off. Hopefully this will do the trick. Okay, let's try this again. Yum, yum. Perfect. Okay, so we've got the salad dressing. Okay, look how much salad dressing is made. This is what's really cool too, is you can store the salad dressing in the refrigerator, I'd say for about 5 days. So you're gonna have this for you. Not just for this salad, but let's say you just want to make a quick salad, chop up some lettuce and put it in, drizzle it over, you got it going on. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to put together the salad. And how easy is this? Because everything's already all cut up. So I'm going to grab my bowl and I'm just going to kind of dump everything in. So we're going to start with the kale. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning with the kale, kale, if you've eaten it before, can be very hard, and the texture is not so appealing to a lot of people. So what I do is I take a tiny bit of olive oil, put it in just a little bit, and you can add more when you need to. Get it into the kale leaves and just massage it. Literally massage it with your hands, get it going on. You're going to start to feel the leaves soften right in your hands, okay? And then once you got it to that consistency, you chop it up into thin slices. That makes it so much easier to eat, and it's really delicious. And your whole family's gonna love kale after you do that. So we're gonna dump the kale in. It's about 2 cups of kale. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is this cabbage, thinly sliced red cabbage. Look at how beautiful this is. We're gonna dump that on top. Okay, we've got these carrots. This is 2 big carrots that I peeled and I shredded. So we're gonna throw that in there. Broccoli, about 2 cups. Put that in there. We got 1 red pepper that I cut into these kind of like long strips, okay? So throw that. I mean, check it out. This is looking great. All right, walnuts. I'm gonna sprinkle this walnut. I've got about a cup here, but I'm probably gonna do maybe 3/4 of a cup. I'm not gonna quite put all these walnuts in here. And then avocado, I have 2 avocados. So I'm gonna give you a tip right now. Right here, what you have right here, you could put in a Tupperware and store it in the refrigerator probably for about 5 days, okay, depending on how fresh your ingredients are. So get the freshest possible. You can store it right here for 5 days. Even this parsley, I'm going to add the parsley in, okay? This is a chopped parsley. It's going to give it a really nice bite. Okay, all this you can store in Tupperware, mix it up, and then you can just take it out, put it on your plate, add your dressing, you're good to go, okay? And you have that for the whole week. So it might take a little time to prep, but then it's going to be worth it for the week. Then what I would do is I would cut up your avocado as needed, because as you know, avocado can start getting soggy, it starts to discolor, it's not as fresh, you really need avocado fresh, okay? So I'm going to just add this avocado because this will be gone by tonight, okay? So I'm going to add all this avocado in here. We got all that going on. So now, first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to give it kind of a little bit of a toss. And maybe I should have put this in a bigger bowl to toss it, but that's okay. We're going to do what we can here. And you might want to come a little closer so you can really see all these amazing, beautiful colors coming together. Check it out. Purple, orange, green. All right. So here's what I'm going to do. Instead of pouring the dressing all over this bowl, I'm going to grab a plate. Just a small plate, okay, so you can kind of see what I'm doing. And work with me here, guys. Okay, and I'm going to put the salad right on top of this plate. Okay, fill it up. All right, and then I'm going to take this dressing and I'm just going to pour it right over the salad. All right, and I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper, really great also to raise the body temperature, increase your metabolism, and give it a nice kick. I'm going to grab my fork. What do you think? Looks pretty awesome, right? All right, let me give it just a little bit of a toss here. And I'm going to take a nice big bite of this detox salad with tahini lemon dressing. Oh my gosh. Okay. Can I just say, it's so fresh, crunchy, tasty, delicious, and you know that you're getting something so healing for your body. That's what makes this all worth it, is that not only does it taste delicious, it's so good for you. So you guys, check it out. Make this salad. Adapt however you need to. Add, take away. You guys know the drill, right? If you don't like something that's in here, put something else in it. I can think like edamame might be really good in that for a little bit more protein, right? Maybe chop up some asparagus. Anything that you like, you can throw into this detox salad and you're really going to enjoy it. So make the salad, write in the comments how it went, and let me know what you thought. And if you liked the video, which I hope you did, press the like button, share it with others. Of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to slap you on the hand. You should have been subscribed by now. And check out the links below for the recipe for this Ninja blender. I'll see you very soon. Thanks so much for joining me today. Namaste.